Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel NEETIFY where you can find high order thinking NEET questions. In this way, now I have brought to you top 10 questions of GOC from purification methods where you can find 2 to 3 questions from every year from this topic, that is purification methods. See, let's try to understand all these topics, all these purification methods with the help of top 10 questions from purification method. So here you go. So moving on to the first question. Moving on to the first question. See, you can pause the video and write your own. I will provide your solution in this video, detailed solution. Okay, let's try it. So let's move on to the first question. See, this is a question number one. In crystallization, the impurities which impart color to the solution are removed by. See, generally in a crystallization process, when we add solvent and organic compound for crystallization process, some impurities will impart color to the solution. These impurities can be removed by adsorbing over the activated charcoal. So, in crystallization, the impurities which impart color to the solution can be removed by adsorbing over activated charcoal. This is a very important question. It is given your NCRT. So I refer the NCRT. See, NCRT is the god. The questions come from every year only from NCRT, no other external resources. Only NCRT, they twist the NCRT, they recover the NCRT, whatever they do. But the 100% paper only from NCRT. If you take the RENEET 2026, NEET 2026, NEET 2025, or elsewhere paper, you only find it is come from the NCRT itself. For biology and chemistry, NCERT is the god. Okay, let's moving on to the next question. See, this is a statement type question from the fractional distillation. See, fractional distillation. See, first of all, we read the question. Which of the following statement regarding fractional distillation is true? So, we should find the true statements. True statement regarding the fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is used to separate the two liquids whose boiling points are high. So, generally, fractional distillation is used to separate the liquids which have low boiling points, right? For high boiling points, we have another separation techniques. Comment down the answer for the technique used for separation of boiling points high. Okay. And next option, in fractional distillation, vapors of liquid with a lower boiling point condense before the vapors of a liquid whose boiling points are high. This statement is wrong because in fractional distillation, vapors of a liquid with a high boiling point, not low boiling point, high boiling point condense before the vapors of a liquid whose boiling points are low. So this statement is wrong. Next, the vapors rising in the fractionating column become richer in more volatile component. This is true statement. So option 3 is correct. So let's see for the fourth option, that is used to separate the chloroform and aniline mixture. No, chloroform and aniline mixture is separated by simple distillation. It has high boiling points. So option 3 is the correct one. Next, question number 3, diagram based question. These diagrams are given in your NCRT textbook. Identify A and B. A is a simple packed column and B is a bubble plate column, right? Next, this is a very important question, which is a connecting link between the purification methods and also the biomolecules, right? See, in thin layer chromatography, anhydrine is used to detect. Generally, anhydrine is used to detect the amino acid on the chromatogram paper, right? So, in this, the amino acid is asparagine. Retinol is a vitamin. Cyanocobalamin is a vitamin. Ascorbic acid is a vitamin. So correct option is option 3. Next question. This is a PYQ which is given on a May 3rd question paper NEET 2026. Not similar, but some modifications I did. So bromine on bromination gives bromobenzene, on nitration gives methane, orthonitrobromobenzene, paranitrobromobenzene. So P and Q can be separated by, generally these two isomers, ortho and para isomers, are separated by fractional distillation. This is a NCRT exercise question. See, you must do all the NCRT exercise and also exemplar questions and in-text questions. So very, very important. You will find direct questions from that. Okay. Next question. The substance which are immiscible with water can be separated by. This is a direct NCRT statement. Immiscible with water. Immiscible with water means only steam distillation. Next question. Which method is used to separate the organic compound present in the aqueous medium? This is also direct statements. The organic compound which is present in an aqueous solution can be separated by differential extraction. This is very, very important. This is NCERT line question. So I'm telling now, only NCERT itself is a very, very important. Okay. NCERT is the god for chemistry and also biology. And match the following as to aniline water mixture, sublimation, camphor and naphthalene, simple distillation, chloroform and aniline, fractional distillation, crude oil in petroleum industry, vacuum distillation of glycerol in soap industry. So option 2 is correct. See here, printing mistake, that is A. And next, question 9. If the organic compound is less soluble in organic solvent, a very large quantity of solvent would be required. Yes. See, very large, if the organic compound is less soluble in organic solvent, large quantity of solvent is required. This type of technique is known as continuous extraction, which is a subtopic of differential extraction. It is given in your NCRT. Please refer NCRT. Next question, statement question. So distillation under reduced pressure is separation technique used to separate the organic compounds. Which of the following statements are true? It's you use it to purify compounds of very high boiling point. True. Use it to purify liquids which decompose at or below the boiling point. And in this method, vapor pressure of the liquid is moved equal to external pressure. That is what it decomposes between these two are linking each other. And pressure is reduced using vacuum pump. So all statements are true. So all of the above are true. Okay. So that's all, guys. I have provided you all type of matching questions, direct NCRT lines, diagrammatic conversion, linking questions of two chapters, diagrammatic questions, statement questions. Okay. So in this way, I will provide all the type of questions and all models of chemistry NEET UG. So please support us, guys. I will provide you NCRT highlighted books. If you want this PDF, DM in Instagram. Our ID is chemistry NEET UG. So very subscribe to our video. And we will see you in the next session. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you, guys.